Many people dream of traveling the world, but they feel bound by their jobs. The idea of leaving everything behind to explore new places can feel daunting. However, in today's world, it's entirely possible to balance both your job and your travel aspirations. With a little planning and flexibility, you can have both. In this video, we will explore how to travel the world without leaving your job behind. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and career advice. 1. Switch to remote work. Switching to remote work is one of the most straightforward ways to make travel and work compatible. Many industries, such as tech, marketing, writing, and design, offer remote positions. These positions allow you to perform your duties from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a good internet connection. Remote work opens up a world of possibilities for travelers who want to continue their careers while exploring new destinations. Platforms like WeWork, Remotely, and FlexJobs have job listings specifically for remote opportunities, giving you the flexibility to work while you travel. 2. Negotiate a flexible schedule. If remote work isn't an option, negotiating a flexible work schedule could still allow you to travel. Many employers today are open to flexible working arrangements, especially if it benefits both you and the company. You could propose a compressed work week, where you work longer hours on certain days to gain additional time off. This would allow you to take long weekends or extended breaks without leaving your job behind. By demonstrating how this can improve both your productivity and work-life balance, you may convince your employer to give you the flexibility you need to travel more. 3. Maximize paid time off (PTO). Maximizing your paid time off (PTO) is a simple yet effective strategy to travel without quitting your job. By carefully planning your trips around weekends and public holidays, you can extend your vacations without using too many PTO days. Booking flights in advance and traveling during off-peak seasons can help you get the best deals while stretching your time away from work. With the right planning, you could take extended trips without using up all your vacation days. Be strategic with your time off to see more of the world without affecting your job or income. 4. Start a travel blog or YouTube channel. Starting a travel blog or YouTube channel is a great way to turn your passion for travel into an income stream. While it takes time and effort to build an audience, once you start gaining traction, your blog or channel can become a profitable side hustle. You can earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue. This extra income can help fund your travels, allowing you to explore new destinations without worrying about your finances. A travel blog or YouTube channel not only allows you to share your experiences with others, but also offers the potential for passive income that supports your lifestyle. 5. Try freelancing or consulting. Freelancing or consulting is another way to make money while maintaining the freedom to travel. These professions offer a high level of flexibility, allowing you to choose your projects and work from anywhere. As a freelancer, you can work with clients all over the world, providing services in writing, marketing, design, or any field you specialize in. Similarly, consulting offers you the opportunity to share your expertise while traveling. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients, while consulting can often be done remotely, making it the perfect fit for digital nomads. 6. Take advantage of working holiday programs. Working holiday programs offer an excellent way to travel and work simultaneously, especially for younger travelers. These programs are available in countries like Australia, New Zealand, and Canada, allowing you to work while exploring new places. You can typically work in hospitality, agriculture, or teach English, and you'll have the chance to immerse yourself in the culture of the country. Working holidays can last anywhere from a few months to a year, depending on the visa rules of the country. It's a great way to travel long-term while earning money and gaining international work experience. Traveling the world without leaving your job behind is entirely possible with a little creativity and planning. Whether you switch to remote work, negotiate a flexible schedule, or start a travel-related side hustle, there are many ways to make travel part of your lifestyle. The key is to plan ahead, use technology to your advantage, and be strategic with your time off. By taking action now, you can begin exploring the world while maintaining your career. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on balancing work and travel. Safe travels, and we hope you're able to start your adventures soon.